the rest of his life in prison.
U.S. District Judge Eileen Cannon previously found Ruth guilty on 5 counts for his planned attempt on Trump's life when the then presidential candidate was golfing at his club in West Palm Beach. A Secret Service agent saw Ruth holding a rifle in the tree line a hole ahead of where Trump was golfing. The agent accosted and then fired on Ruth, who fled in his car and was arrested a short time later. At a sentencing hearing, Ruth addressed the court.
I'm not trying to call out the dashcam driver, but why was he just sitting at a green light? Does he have to wait for the turn signal at this intersection?
What the?
So, what the fuck? That's what I phrased.
The dashcam driver could have let him turn around completely, but he thought of driving beside him, blocking the way. It looked like the driver in front pulled on his handbrakes, but many people said that this model doesn't come with ABS, which is the reason.
Got a lot of nerve, let my bucket swerve. I'm taking off from the curb. The nervousness, neglect, make me pack a tag. Devoted to serving this moet and paychecks. Like a guy satellite, nigga, I'm forever ballin'. It ain't right, parasites, triggers, and fleas crawling. Sucker duck and get busted, no emotion. My devotion is handling my business, nigga. Keep on coasting, where you going? I've been there. Came back as lonely, homie. Steady flowing against the grain, nigga. Still don't know me. It's about the money and the
This is how I play American Truck Simulator after downing a few brewskis. That's the kind of altercation that ends up in a shooting. Stay the hell away from that mess. They literally tell you multiple times to put your car in neutral when going through a car wash. How did bro mess up something so simple? Whether it's a brake checker or a distracted driver, the only way to win is to have the footage. Be the smartest person in the courtroom. Get your silent witness from the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Stay safe out there and drive safe.